Let me welcome you all to the vibrant and beautiful city of Cebu, known for its rich history, breathtaking beaches, and thriving hospitality industry. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us tonight and for taking the time off of your busy schedules to be with us in tonight's event. Unlock potential, unleash growth, supercharge your hotel businesses. I hope that everyone's feeling excited, energized, and supercharged for this evening filled with valuable insights and learnings on how to further boost and grow our hotel businesses. Can we give everyone a big round of applause for being here?
The biggest takeaway, I think, was technology and how we can integrate that in tech stacks, how we can have the interplay between these components. And I think most importantly, how versatile these different hotel stacks can work together and how they can work together to ensure efficiency and profitability.
Well, hotels is really fast-paced. You meet a lot of different challenges every day. So AI or technology can really make it easier for us, right? It really hastens all the process. So what I never really did not have any idea what to expect tonight, but basically I think everything that was taught here is something that I'll definitely apply in the hospitality or in the hotel where I worked in.
Na-amaze lang kami kasi it's something new, something big innovation. Innovation sa hotel industry.
Advantage with this new innovation sa Hotelogix kay it would increase efficiency sa bookings, sa whole cycle sa hospitality management.
If you focus on guest engagement, revenue is bound to follow, right? The success of any hotel hinges on its ability to curate memorable guest experiences and lasting customer satisfaction.
As a property management system, it helps us in dealing with our clients, checking them in, giving them a good service, and getting the also comments and service from them. It elevates our service using the technology. And this is a big help for the Cebu tourism.
Technology is evolving, and that's human adaptability. That's the word, adaptability, adapting to new changes. Humans don't like change, but we have to embrace change. And that's the only way forward. And I think adapting to technology advancements, technology integrations, technology innovations would help us move forward in the future.
There is no such thing as comfort zone. It's either you're growing or you're dying. So there is no other way but to grow.